Let's learn IIB. Today, we will look at the new version of IIB released by IBM for cloud and containers. It is called Application Connect Enterprise, ACE. Even though it is designed for cloud, you can install it on-prem with these operating systems: Microsoft Windows, Linux on IBM Z, and AIX. Some architectural changes have been made to WMB and IIB to make it cloud ready, such as quick start time, low utilization of resources such as CPU, memory, and disk, single OS process, single step deployment and configuration with policies in bar file, no data flow engine process supervision with BIP broker, RESTful administration interface, independence from local queue managers. These were the list of changes made to make WMB and IIB cloud ready. IBM WMB version 6, 7, 8 were popular at one time. WMB install came with MQ executable as well. Then IIB released in 2013 removed dependence of MQ and introduced callable flows in version 10. ACE in 2018 removed dependence of integration. You must create an integration server before you can deploy integration solutions and related resources. You can create one or more independent integration servers, each with their own identity, and deploy them either to containers in the cloud or on-premise environment. If you are planning to run App Connect Enterprise directly on a physical machine or a virtual machine image, you are advised to define integration servers under an integration node, which will manage its associated integration servers. In IIB, you will use config service to override or abstract some specific property. For example, sensitive data which might differ between runtime environments, such as dev, test, prod. You will have to create config service as step 1 and then deploy bar file as step 2. In ACE, you will use policies instead of config services. Policies can be packaged into bar file. So, change release would be a single step of deploying bar file. In IIB, when you make change to services, you have to reload the execution group for change to take effect. App Connect Enterprise version 11 provides developers with the ability to create policies inside policy projects using ACE Toolkit. While many users of ACE will be deploying the software within a container-based architecture, which containers simply and quickly restarted in order to be reconfigured, some users still like to use architectural approach involving a long-lived server and nodes. With this requirement in mind, Fixpak 4 introduces the ability to bring dynamic changes to an integration server's configuration through the redeployment of certain types of policy. Let me know in comments if you want me to create another video detailing ACE enhancements to command line interface, user exits, cloud, and many more. Reply in comments. What did we learn today? We learned the different versions of IIB, features specific to particular versions, ACE 11 architectural changes.